This is a Wki Reflection blog or video blog about the Wiki literature review that we just did. My group and I, we worked together and we came up with something entitled Augmented Remote Learning or Augmented Remote Education. Each one of us took a significant part. We all made contributions to the literature itself, and each one of us worked well together. As we've gone through these courses in technological education, I've learned a lot of unique skills and things that I did not know before. And with each one of them, there's growing pains, of course. But with those growing pains are the self-realization that I have learned a new skill. I am thankful for this course, and I'm thankful for the opportunity to work toward my master's. I do believe it will augment my ability to be successful in the future and hopefully find an even more enticing and challenging job.